Today, I'll show you how to use ClickUp for event planning. We're going to set up a simple, organized structure that makes it easy to manage all your event tasks and logistics in one place. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a dedicated area for your event, a main task list, and clear statuses that show exactly where every detail stands. Let's start inside ClickUp, in the space where you want to keep your event work. A space is like a big container for related projects. Look for the plus icon next to your space name. This is where you can add new items. Click that plus icon, and from the options that appear, choose Folder. A folder in ClickUp is perfect for a single event because it can hold multiple lists, documents, and views, all related to that one event. When the folder creation window appears, give it a clear, specific name that matches your event. For example, you might use the event title and the date so it's easy to recognize later. Once you've typed in the name, confirm to create the folder. Now that your event folder is set up, it's time to create the main list where you'll manage tasks and logistics. Inside that new folder, you'll see an option that says Create List. Go ahead and click that. You'll be prompted to name this new list. Type in Event Tasks and Logistics. This will be your central place to track everything that needs to get done for the event, from vendor coordination to guest communications. Using a clear, consistent name helps you quickly find this list if your folder later grows to include things like budgets, marketing, or post-event follow-up. After you create the list, you'll land on the list view. Before adding tasks, it's helpful to set up statuses that match the typical stages of your event workflow. This gives you an at-a-glance view of progress and helps your team know what needs attention. Look for the statuses icon at the top of your list. This is usually near the list name and shows the current status options. Click on that statuses icon and then choose Edit Statuses. This opens the panel where you can customize the stages your tasks will move through. Here, you want to set statuses that reflect the life cycle of an event task. Add or adjust them so you have clear stages like To Do, In Progress, Confirmed, and Paid. To Do works well for new tasks you haven't started yet. In Progress is for anything you or your team are actively working on. Confirmed is great for items that are locked in, like booked venues or finalized speakers. And Paid is ideal for tracking any task that involves money, such as vendor invoices or deposits. As you edit, you can reorder these statuses so they match the typical flow of your work, moving from left to right in the order you expect tasks to progress. Once you're happy with the setup, save your changes. You now have a dedicated folder for your event, a central event tasks and logistics list inside it, and a customized set of statuses designed for event planning. From here, you can start adding tasks for every part of your event and move them through those stages as you go, giving you a clear, organized view of everything you need to pull off a successful event.